Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about CFX price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Now we're gonna start with the CFX per USDT pair. Is already having a correction to close the green bar here. Try to go to the pink one side here, middle band on the 0.3368 US dollar, right? If they can go up, then it will try to go to the upper band on the 0.5350 US dollar. But if not, they will go to the middle band only at this one. And if you want to entry, then you can entry slightly on the 0.15 until 0.2. For the RSI stochastic also is still on the natural position, not overbought, not oversold. For the moving average here is between the moving average 25 and the moving average 7 on the 0.33 until 0.44, right? Next one is for the Bollinger Band here is go to the pink one side here, middle band on the 0.3368 US dollar. But if they go down again, I think it should be go to the purple one. For the 4-hour chart using a trading, I'm using it for trading, but for the daily chart using for investing. Okay, basically we're gonna change first the internet, sorry. Okay, right, this the price range is already getting smaller, and now it's trying to go to down to the purple one here, right here, right? So the price range is at 0.36 until 0.42. So if you want to entry, then you slightly can entry on the 0.34 under 0.36. For the RSI stochastic also, it's already in the it's still on the natural position, sorry. For the moving average here, the current price is below moving average 7, the yellow one, on the 0.3954 US dollar, and also the moving average 25 on the 0.4075 US dollar. Try to push it. If they go down, break the 0.3439, then it will go down again to the 0.33 US dollar. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.